さあ今日は修造の言葉はありません。ジェシーの言葉。
Motto
Yes.
says life tastes good.
Life tastes good. What does that mean?
Well, basically, we just kind of came up with it recently, actually, but it sort of just means enjoy what you have in front of you, and don't let life pass you by. There's so much to enjoy, and you have such a short amount of time on this planet. You might as well enjoy it while you can, and it's really the little things in life that count.
Yes.
It may sound a little cliche, but it's true. Some of the realization that I've had lately.
You still enjoying life?
I really am, man. It's been great.
What is the most important to join if you wanted to enjoy your life?
The most important thing? I just every second looking around you realize what you have, and you know, friends, family. Remember what matters the most in your life, and remember that the other things can just easily go away in the blink of an eye. So I don't know. It's a nice little motto to live by, I think.
いやじゃあ最後に皆さん覚えてください。Life tastes good もう人生を楽しんでいこうということでございます。僕もそうしていきたい。Thank you for joining us. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very much. もう素晴らしい。ジェシーこれから大ブレイク。Thank you.